What's up, everyone? Today we're answering the big question. Should you buy a Nissan Altima between 2013 and 2019? Is it worth your money or a future breakdown waiting to happen? If you're scrolling used car listings, this generation of Altimas is everywhere, but popularity doesn't always mean value. So let's break it down fast, clear, and honest. First, is the Altima even worth considering? Short answer, yes, but with conditions. The Nissan Altima's biggest strengths are great fuel economy, especially with the 4-cell engines, great comfortable ride, smooth, quiet, easy to live with. Affordable pricing on the used market, you can find decent ones under market value. And plenty of parts and mechanics who know them, easy to service. So far, so good, right? But here's where it gets real. The elephant in the room, the CVT transmission. From 2013 through most of this generation, Nissan used a continuously variable transmission, and while efficient, it's also infamous for issues. Owners report shuddering during acceleration, hesitation when pulling away, premature failures under high mileage, costly repairs if not under warranty. This is the make or break factor for Altimas from this era. If that CVT lives long and healthy, the car is a dream. If not, well, it can be expensive. So, when is it worth buying? Here's where the model years matter. Best options, 2017, 2018, 2019. These later years saw fewer transmission complaints, improved reliability, and generally fewer headaches. They're considered the sweet spot in this generation. Mid-range options, 2016. It's improved compared to earlier models, but still not perfect. Think of it as worth it if well-maintained. Caution years, 2013, 2014, 2015. These are the years most owners report transmission struggles, electrical glitches, brake wear issues, and inconsistent reliability. If you find one, you better have rock-solid maintenance documentation. Check before you buy. Before handing over your hard-earned money, ask for full service history, especially CVT fluid changes. Pre-purchase inspection, always worth it. Test drive at highway speeds. Listen for shuddering or hesitation. Vehicle history report. Accidents or heavy use can kill reliability. If the Altima you're looking at checks these boxes, it can be a great daily driver that's comfy, efficient, and affordable. But if the service history is missing and it's one of the early model years, that's where you might want to walk away. Bottom line? Yes, a 2017 to 2019 Nissan Altima is worth buying if it's maintained and priced right. Maybe a 2016 could be okay with excellent records. No, avoid 2013 to 2015 unless it has perfect documentation. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into specific model years or alternatives to consider in the sedan world, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment with the Altima you're looking at. I'll help you decide if it's a buy or a pass. See you in the next one.